What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Mars and in this video I'm back with another Tap News episode, and we're going to be talking about two pieces of news that I've gathered up, and they're really interesting and might surprise you. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So the first news is about the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. I know I've talked about it before, but now it's absolutely confirmed about 99% that the Pixel 3 XL is gonna have a notch. But the interesting news is that the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL have about a 95% chance of having just a single camera even in 2018. So let's see if this camera can even outbeat triple camera setups on phones like the Huawei P20 Pro or the brand new Samsung Galaxy A7, or it is just like the previous year's Google Pixel 2, which was pretty good, but as we are seeing new releases, it may be beaten by another smartphone. So let's see what Google does to keep up its good camera software optimization and hardware optimization. So the next news is about Samsung, and the Samsung Galaxy S10, or the anniversary flagship of Samsung, will be codenamed Beyond. It has been leaked from a few sites, and according to the leaks, there is not going to be one, not two, not three, but 4 Beyond devices. And this was also confirmed by Mr. Who's the Boss, who's also a great YouTuber. But having 4 Samsung Galaxy S10 variants is absolutely crazy. So obviously the lowest Beyond version, or you can say the Beyond 1.0, will be of course a comparison for budget devices, or you can say the comparison for the newly released an iPhone XR. But I know it is gonna win in the screen. It has a flat screen, but still, you know, Samsung is the king of screens and displays, any kind of displays, Super AMOLED, LCD, any kind, you got it. So let's see how all these codenamed devices Beyond go, and even we are getting the Samsung Experience UI 10, and by the guys over at XDA, they have even gotten the code of XDA through which the Beyond 1, 2, 3 and 4 information has been derived. So let's wait and see if this information is true or is it just like every other false rumor. So that round it video guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video. I know it was very short, but I couldn't get up with any news in the past week or so as I was having papers. But now again I'm back in the rhythm, as I'm not going to be having papers for the next month or so. And one more interesting piece to catch your attention is that if you haven't saw Unbox Therapy's video about Samsung Galaxy Note 9 explosion, no, it's not exploded. It is not like the Note 7, but there was just a news by some well-known websites that the Samsung Galaxy, the Note 9, exploded in the purse of a woman. So if you want to go ahead and check out more details, you can go in the description box below and find the link to all the respected websites. But other than that, thanks for watching guys. My name is Mars and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.